Thank you very much. A little credence for you there.